Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to build a quick website. The beautiful thing about this tutorial is that you don't need to have any experience whatsoever because everything is done using a drag and drop system, which makes building your website quick and easy. As you can see, this text is movable. Same thing with this section. You can, for example, the background, you can select it just like that. You can move this section up and down with these arrows. You can adjust this section height. It's just like that. To enable the online store, just click this button here. You have also access to AI tools like the image generator for your website, also an AI writer, even an AI page generator. You can write a prompt like create me an about us page for my website with some photo background and he will create it for you. Same thing with the AI blog generator. You can generate blog posts for your website. You can also make your website multi-language. You can integrate your website with tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, Facebook Pixel, and so on. To edit something, just click on it, click on edit, and you can start editing your website. In the end, your website will also be fast to load, which makes your website visitors happy and Google's recommends. This is the homepage of the website I've built during this tutorial. As you can see, this is a sticky bar that sticks to the top. I have a navigation menu, a big or an easy to notice button. This is my background photo and some buttons and a little bit of text and also an IG section to get some followers. This is a reviews or testimonials section. Another section about our services. As you can see, this is a restaurant website. Also a gallery that you can edit. A contact form to be contacted by your website visitors. And this is the footer with some links to your social platforms and legal pages. With the drag and drop system I will show you, creating legal pages like this is not just easy, but it's super easy. The second page of my website is this menu page. This is the about us page with some photos and some location. Let's see the contact us page. You will receive notifications about these form submissions. This is also a Google Map location feature. This is the gallery page with some photos about your business. Let's see the testimonial page. This is all text. And this is the booking or the online booking system I've built with Hostinger website builder. Let's use it. This is my service, the price, the description, a photo. Let's click on book now. A new window pops up. You can see the calendar with the available days and hours. Let's select this date at this time. Click on book. Fill in your contact information. This is the payment method. You can add multiple payment methods like PayPal or credit card. Click on place an order. And this is how easy it is to book a table in your website. This is an example of the email you will receive after each booking on your website with details about the product and also the customer information and the payment method. I've explained how to build this website step by step in this tutorial, so just keep watching. First, visit Hostinger website to create your Hostinger website builder account. You can use my link to go to Hostinger. This is my affiliate link, so thank you for supporting me. And if you need any help related to making a website or Hostinger website builder, feel free to reach me out at ben@bensexperience.com for free support. After that, go to Website Builder from the top, then click on Hostinger Website Builder. As you can see, Hostinger offers two plans, the premium and the business. As you can see, the only difference or the important difference is that the business plan comes with these AI tools. And since these AI tools are important for making your websites, so I recommend you go with the business website builder plan. Click on choose plan. In this page, you can select your subscription length, which is 1 year, 2 years, or 4 years. With the 4 years, you get 2 months for free and a renewal price per month, which is cheaper compared to 2 years or just 1 year. After that, fill in your email address and password to create your account. As you can see, this personal information is optional, so you can skip filling this part. Check your total, then fill in your credit card information. After that, click on Submit Secure Payment. If you need to pay with PayPal, just select it from this list. Then click on Checkout with PayPal. After completing your payment, you will be redirected to your Hostinger account. From the top, click on Websites. Then click on this Add Website button. Select Hostinger Website Builder. Here you can create your website quickly using the AI tool or by using one of their pre-made templates. Let's first check out these pre-made templates. As you can see, there are multiple different website templates to choose from. To preview a template, just click on this preview button. As you can see, this is an e-commerce template. To return to all templates, click on this button. There are multiple pages with different templates. Now let's go back to our AI tool. Then click on Start Creating. Here select your website type. This list includes business showcase, online store, landing page, blog, portfolio website, restaurant, wedding invitation, and other. For this video, I will go with a restaurant website type. Give your brand name or website a name, for example, Ben's Restaurant. Here, describe your website like describing it to a website developer or web designer. This is an example you can read to get inspired. This is a website description example you can go with. Create me a website for my restaurant in London. The website should have a modern and elegant design that reflects the upscale nature of our establishment. Our restaurant's name is London Gourmet Bistro. We are located in this address. As you can see, the description is great. Under personalization settings, you can pick your colors from this list of colors, or you can select them manually. Let's go with this, for example, this colors. Then click on Create Website. And this is the result I got using this website description. As you can see, this is a background video, a welcome section with some authority statistics, a reserve button, a quick testimonials section, our services section, and a simple contact form. And the footer with social media links, contact information, and a subscribe form. For the other pages, I got a menu page. Menu I can always edit with my personal photos and text. Another reserve section. Let's check the about page, a gallery showcase with some photos, and a location. The AI used the exact address I provided. Welcome to London's finest bistro. I'm really satisfied with the result I got. This is a good base to start working on. Now let's see how to edit your website. If you want to edit your website description to get something different, you can click on this back to AI form button. If you are, like me, satisfied with the result and you want to start editing your website, click on edit site. Let's start from the top with the header. Above the header, you can add a sticky bar. This is a promotional text I can use for this restaurant website. Book your table. Let's say I want to make this book your table phrase or sentence bold. Click on this B icon to link this text to another page of your website. Let's say that my website address is benstestinghosting.com/reserve. Copy your link. First select your text or the sentence you want to link. Then with your keyboard, click on Command V on Mac or Control V on PC. Now I have an underline under this text, which means, or to preview it live, click on Preview. And this is my link. As you can see, the link is working great. Now let's back to the preview page. To return to your website editor, click on this button. Book your table or order exquisite dishes online. Call us at this number. Now let's see how to edit this header. First, click on it. To edit your website logo, click on your logo first. You can replace your logo from this button. Click on replace image. To download your logo from your computer, click on upload files. Let's say that this image is my logo. Let's go with this one. After the upload is complete, click on this select button. To adjust your logo size, just use this slider, for example. From the same header setting window, you can edit the layout of your header. For example, to make it sticky or not. I'm talking about the header. You can also edit the link spacing between the navigation menu pages. You can also edit the top and bottom spacing. Also, you can edit the placement of your header elements. Let's go with the logo in the middle. From this elements page, you can show or hide your logo. You can add social icons to your social profiles and add this special button. As you can see, these buttons, I can use it to create a reservation button in my header. From this style page, you can edit the header, the button, or the social icons. Let's go with the button. As you can see, now I can enable or disable this button. I can also edit the button result. For example, reserve a table or reserve your table. I can link this button to a page, to a web address, to a specific section of a page in my website. I can also link to an email address, phone number, or a file to download. Let's go to with a page. Here you can select your website page. Now I still don't have a dedicated reservation page, so I will skip this step. You can also edit the fill color. Let's go with the orange. The text font, you can change the text font, also this text size. Let's edit the border, make it black, the border width. I want to edit the text color, which is important. It was white, I will go with black. You can edit the border width and the corner radius. Close this window. Let's preview my new header. My sticky bar and the header both are sticky. I want only the sticky bar to be sticky. To do that, go back to the editor, select your header, click on edit header. As you can see, next to make header sticky, disable this option. Close this window and let's preview my website. As you can see, now only the sticky bar is sticky. I want also to edit the background color of this sticky bar to differentiate it from the header. Now go back to your editor, select the sticky bar section, click on edit section. I can go with a color or a page. I will simply go with a color. This is a good color. Let's preview this result. As you can see, my sticky bar is in the orange color, which grabs the website's visitors' attention. Now let's see how to edit the homepage of my website. Go back to the editor. Let's say you want to edit the background of this section. Click on this section first, then go to edit section. You can go with a color or an image or a video from these videos provided by Pixel's service. I want to go with an image. Go to image, then replace image. You can upload your image from your computer or go with free images from the Unsplash service. Let's search, for example, for fine dine. Let's go with this photo, for example. Click on add to page. You can also edit your overlay opacity to make your text easy to read, for example. Close this window. To edit this text, just double click it. You can edit the text just like that. To edit the text color, select the text first. You can edit the text color, the style from heading 1 to 2 to paragraph. You can also edit the font by uploading it from your computer or go with these available fonts. You can also edit the font size to make your text bold, italic, or underline, or make a link directly from this toolbar. Same thing with this little description. For buttons, you can resize them easily like that. To edit the text, for example, just double click the text. A new window will open up. You can edit the button text, for example, reserve. You can make a link. You can also edit the button style from the normal status or when the pointer is over your button. Let's go with the normal states. Same thing, you can edit the field color, the text font, text size, and the border. I'm satisfied with this design. To edit the height of this section, you can adjust it using this little tool. Now let's move to the next section. Same thing, you can edit the text by double clicking it. To edit this image, you can click on edit image. You can also generate an image using AI. Here, describe your page, select your image style, then click create images. To edit this little banner text or background, change shape. You can turn it to different shapes. To edit the text, it's simple. Same thing with this button. You can link it to the reservation page. I will do that in just a minute. This is a review section. You can edit the stars by just double clicking it. You can delete one star. Let's make it 5 stars. You can edit this image by uploading it from your computer. Let's say you want to edit this color, for example. Just click on this section, click on edit section, and pick your color from colors list. To view your website in mobile, just click on this mobile icon and you can edit the mobile version. As you can see, the logo is a little bit bigger. Click on it, go to logo. From the slider, you can use it to make your logo smaller. Close this window. For example, make this section a little bit shorter. This editing is reserved for the mobile version. As you can see, the desktop version is not touched. Let's say you want to edit this form. Click on edit form. You can edit your form name. You can also change the email address where notifications will be sent after each form submission. You can also view your form submissions from here. Under fields, you can add a new field. This is the types of field. Let's go with a short. Let's click on all of them to see them. Paragraph, single choice, or multiple choice. This is the forms you can use. To delete a form, just open the form window and click on remove field. I will remove all of these new forms. To edit a form, click on it. You can edit the field label, the placeholder text, or the field type. You can also make a field required or not. Let's make the first name not required. Same thing with the email field. This is the field type. The message field is required. You can edit the button text, for example, send. After a successful submission, you can show a message that you can edit or redirection them to a dedicated page where you thank them for their form submission. You can also edit the style of the submit button, the form fields, or the background. Close this window. Now let's see my website footer. Here you can edit to make a text smaller. You can use a paragraph, for example. Then edit the text color white. For the size, adjust 28 and make it bold. To edit these social links, click on this social element on edit icons. From this little circle next to Facebook, for example, you can delete this social media link or edit your new link. You can also edit this social icon size, the layout, vertically or non-vertically, and the animation. For the contact, let's call it contact. You can edit your phone number and email address. I will replace this subscribe form with legal pages. Go with terms and conditions. Instead of adding a new element, I will go with duplicating this one, then double click it, privacy policy. I will add links to these two pages in a minute. Now let's see how to add new elements to your home page. With your mouse, go between two sections and a new button will pop up. Click on add section. You can generate a section using AI. For example, create a contact section for my restaurant in London. My address is address. My phone is. Hit create section and wait a moment. Now, as you can see, a new section was added successfully. To edit the background, use the edit section. Now let's see the other types of section. You can also create a blank section and continue adding elements to it, just like that. You can go with a blog section to display your latest blog articles. You can go with an online store section to display a single product or a product links. You can go with main to select one of these elements. You can go with services. As you can see, I recommend you to go with either AI to generate a section or pre-made templates like these ones. Contact form, this is a contact form template. You can also add a map to your home page, projects, a resume, an image. You can also add a gallery to your home page. I think I need a gallery in my restaurant website. To edit this gallery images, for example, just click on one of the photos. As you can see, you can edit your gallery general designs from grid to masonry, the items per row, the gap between photos, and what will happen after a click, for example. Let's close this window. You can also add an image or manage your gallery. You can reorder your photos or delete one and add a new image. To reorder your page sections, for example, you can use these move up or move down arrows. You can also copy a section and place it in another place. For example, let's go, I want to paste it here. Select another section, click on these three dots and hit paste section. As you can see, now I have two galleries. I can go and remove the original one. To remove it, just click on this section and hit delete. The last thing I want to let you know is that you can add elements to your section of your home page. To add an element, just click on add element. You can just drag and drop your elements and start editing it. As you can see, you can add a video. To edit the video, click on edit video, paste your YouTube link here. You can also add an Instagram feed, for example. This is good. I will use it for my restaurant website. First, create a blank section. We've already seen how to add a blank new section. Then click on add element and select Instagram feed. Make it a little bit bigger, just like that. Then edit feed. First, connect your Instagram to start showing your latest photos. You can edit the number of items to show, also the layout per row and the gap between photos. Let's give this section a big title. Add elements, drag and move your title here. For example, follow our IG. Make this section a little bit shorter. And I want to add, for example, my IG handle. Click on add elements. I want to use a button. Add a button here. Resize it. Double click it. Add London Gourmet Bistro. You can link to our web address and here fill in your IG link. I want to edit the style, the fill color, and make it, let's go with this color, for example. I think that's all for how to edit your homepage. If you need to do anything with Hostinger website builder, you can ask me in the comments below or directly by email at ben@bensexperience.com. Adding a favicon in Hostinger website builder is easy. First, go to website settings, then click on general settings. Click on favicon, then add image. Click on this upload files button in order to upload your favicon from your computer. If you don't have a favicon designed yet, you can use this helpful, simple website. The website is called favicon.io. Click on generator from the top. Just give it a little text. For example, since my website is about restaurant, I will go with the letter R. Pick your colors from this list of colors, then preview your favicon here or directly from the browser. Let's make it square. I will go with rounded. You can pick your font. You can also pick the font size. I will go with this design. Then click on download button. As you can see, it's downloaded in a zip file. Click on it to decompress it. Then go back to Hostinger website builder and click on upload files. Locate your favicon on your computer and click open. Once the upload is completed, click on select. Click on save changes. Favicon cannot be previewed in this preview mode, so I will make my website live. To publish your website, just click on this go live button. Let's view my website live. And this is how to add a favicon in Hostinger website builder. To make an online booking system in Hostinger website builder, it's easy. First, you need to enable the online store feature. just from here. Then click on add store, save your changes. Then click on website builder to go to your store manager. Select your country, for example, United States, your currency, the USD. Now click on appointments from this left side menu and hit enable appointments. As you can see, this is your calendar. You can edit your availability. From here, you can select your restaurant available hours. For example, let's say that you work on Saturday, also on Saturdays. You can select your time, for example, 7 a.m. to 12. You can also add another shift, for example. We also work from 2 p.m. to 12, for example. You click on save. You can also block days when your restaurant or service is not available. For example, in the 1st of August, I will not be available. Click on save. This is your calendar. Now go back to products and click on add product. Select appointments. You can make your appointment visible or hidden from this list. Below it, you can upload your photo. For example, a photo like this. Click on open. You can add multiple images to your appointment. Now give your appointment a title, for example, book your two-person table. You can also use a subtitle or a ribbon like new. I will skip them. Now describe your. This is a description I got using ChatGPT. You can also add additional info sections. I will skip it. For pricing, I will disable it. Now that my pricing is disabled, I can skip the price field. For the categories, you can organize your products in this store using categories. I will skip them. For the location, just fill in something descriptive like London Gourmet Bistro Restaurant. For the duration, you can go with 30 minutes. Unfortunately, with Hostinger website builders, you can't go under 15 minutes. For example, 14. You can at least use 15 minutes. I hope they fixed that with time. As you can see, you can go with minutes or hours. For the appointment conditions, it is optional. For example, you can require a minimum notice of 1 day, for example. Here, just fill in 1, then select 1 day. With this condition, people cannot reserve or book for the same day. I think I will skip it. As you can see, you can also edit your availability from here, block a day, and edit your availability time. Now click on save. To avoid losing my changes, I will go back to the website builder using this edit website button, then update my website. Let's view my website live. Go to store. This is my appointments page. I think I made a mistake. Due to disabling the price, the add to back button is hidden. I will try to fix that. Go back to store manager, back to products, click on my appointments, go to pricing. For a restaurant, for example, you can use the enabled option And for the price, you can set it to free or go with a minimum amount. For example, you can go, for example, with $100 or 50 or $100, for example. Click on save. Another con of this booking system with Hostinger website builder is that the discount price is required. Let's go with $80. So the original price is 100 and the discounted price is $80. Click on save. Now let's update my appointment. And now I have, as you can see, this is my product title or my appointments title. This is my original price, the discounted price, the booking duration. This is the location. This is an image and the product description. Let's click on book now. A new window will open up. Select tomorrow, for example. Pick your time for PM. As you can see, this is my appointment details, and this is the title, this is the date, and this is the time, and the location is the restaurant. Click on book. As you can see, we can't accept online orders right now. This is because my store does not have a payment method yet. To add a payment method to your store, just go back to your store manager, click on store settings, and select payments. As you can see, there are many payment gateways you can connect. For example, the local Go, PayPal, Stripe, or manual payments. Let's say I want to add a manual payment. Click on add. Let's call our payment, for example, pay at the restaurant. Save these changes. As you can see, now I have my manual payment enabled. You can also add a PayPal or Stripe. It's easy. It's just click on connect and follow the steps. I've already recorded a dedicated video showcasing how to add PayPal or credit cards in Hostinger website builder. Just look for it on YouTube. Now let's go back to my website builder, or let's directly refresh this appointments or booking page. Today, let's click on book. As you can see, now I am at the checkout page. Fill in the email address, for example, spain@spain.com, full name, mail, country. Let's go with United States, select a state. As you can see, the only payment method I have on this store is to pay at the restaurant. Click on place an order. And thank you for your order. To manage your booking system, just go back to your store manager, then click on appointments. And as you can see, a new reservation is added to your calendar. This is the title, the amount, the time, the duration, and the event details, like the date, the time, and also the client details. This is the email notification you will receive after each booking. This is the email title, the order number. You can click here to view this order on Hostinger website builder. This is the details of the order, and also the customer information and the payment method. Before creating my dedicated booking page, first I need to create my second booking product. To do that, go to Store Manager. Instead of creating a new product from scratch, let's duplicate my old appointments. Unfortunately, the image was not duplicated. No problem, I can upload it. Now, book a table for 5 people, for example. One thing I need to do is to start using categories. First hit save, then go to categories, click on category, for example, give it a name, booking, assign product. This is my two booking products. Hit save, then save. This category called booking is what I will use to filter only the booking products in my booking page. Click on edit website to return to the website builder. Now to create a dedicated booking page, go to pages and navigation, then click on add page. Select online store from this list. Go with a product list in order to show multiple products, which are booking 2% table and 5% table. Click on product list. For my name in navigation, I will go with book a table, and my page URL will be, I will call it just booking. Click on save. This is my booking page. It shows my booking products and also my other products. To filter only some products, it's simple. First select this section, then click on edit section. Under filters, first uncheck this option next to show categories as filters. Then select the category you want to show in this page. Click on booking, and now only my booking products will start showing. Let's give this page a big title. Click on add element. As you can see, adding the text element is not possible. For that, I will click add section. I will go with a blank section, resize it just like that, then add my text element. Then I'll click on update website. Let's view my website live. Go to book a table, and this is my booking system. To book a page for 5, let's go with this product. Click on book now. You can select your day, the time, click on book. And this is how to create an online booking system in Hostinger Website Builder. To add a gallery page in Hostinger Website Builder, it's easy. First, go to Pages and Navigation, then click on Add Page, click on New Empty Page. As you can see, this is my header and this is my footer. I need to create a new blank section. To do that, simply click on Add Section, then go with Gallery. Let's go with this template, for example, and this is my new gallery page. To edit this title, just double click it. Same thing with this short description. To edit the photo or to manage your gallery photos, for example, to reorder them or to add a new page, you can add it from here. You can also delete one of these images, then click on close. Now you can also edit the gallery design, for example, from grid to masonry. You can also play with the items per row, the gap between photos, and what will happen on click. Let's delete these pages and add photo related or restaurant related photos. As you can see, my gallery page should be renamed in this navigation menu, and this is what happens in after clicking on this image. To rename this page, just go to your website builder, click on pages and navigation, then click on this little circle next to your menu and click rename. Give it a name, for example, gallery. You can hide this from the menu or not, and click save. And don't forget to update your website. To add testimonials page in your website, just go to pages and navigation, click add page, select a new empty page, then add a new blank section, or directly go with testimonials. You can edit the number of the stars. You can also edit the text, the photo, or the name. If you want to make this page a little bit longer, just use this section height. You can duplicate an element. Same thing with the text, same thing with the stars. Let's duplicate this. Now click on update website. And don't forget to rename your page in the navigation menu. Let's call it Testimonials and click save, and then update your website. Let's view my website live. Click on Testimonials, and this is your testimonials page. Adding legal pages like this terms and conditions or privacy policy page in Hostinger is super easy. Just go to your website builder, then click on pages and navigation, click on add page, then from this left side list click on privacy policy, select this template, fill in your company name, for example Ben's Restaurant, click on add page, and as you can see a new privacy policy page with your website name and data is added to your website. Now let's add another page. Same thing, click on add page. From this left side menu click on terms and conditions, select this page, fill in your company name and click on add page. As you can see, also the terms and conditions page is added to your website. Now as you can see, they are also added to my navigation menu. So to remove them, just click on pages and navigation. All I need to do is to drag and move my legal pages and place them under hidden from navigation. Same thing with this privacy policy page. Then click on update website. To add links to these legal pages to your footer, it's simple. Just go to legal pages text, for example terms and condition, click on link, select to link to a page and select your pages from this list, terms and conditions, and hit save. Same thing with the privacy policy page, link, privacy policy, and hit save. And don't forget to update your website. Let's view my website live. Let's go to the footer, click on terms and conditions, and as you can see, this is my legal pages added successfully to my online website. If you want to give Hostinger website builder a try, you can use my affiliate link, which is bensexperience.com/hostinger. Using this link will definitely support me create more content like this at no extra cost to you. So thank you for your support. And if you need any help related to Hostinger website builder or making your website, feel free to reach me at ben@bensexperience.com and I will help you for free. Recording this video was not easy for me, so give this video a like and also subscribe.